So when he had issues with the RX-8 shift knob, I knew that I wanted something similar to this, that I liked the feel of. That's where we came up with this 6-speed shifter, and I love this thing. Let me show you why. So first you gotta uninstall the old shifter.
That was loud.
So when ordering from Sickspeed, they actually give you the option to choose your thread pitch for the RX-8 and the Miata over here. These are a 10 by 1.25, so that's what we've ordered here, and it's a thread adapter, so it'll fit. I feel like a Jedi. Mazda power. Just hit zoom.
Zoom, zoom.
Zoom. It looks amazing, it feels incredible, it's just the right size. It's not too big, it's not too small. So one of the problems with the old shifter for this car specifically is that it basically had no threads. It was just kind of jammed on there, and when you'd move the shifter, this would move independently. It was terrible. I kept grinding gears and misshifting. It was not good. Sickspeed is definitely one of those, I'd say, cheaper companies. However, this is actually a pretty dang good product, man. For 30 bucks, you should definitely go buy one. It comes in a bunch of different colors I saw, but the mint and the purple together is going to match our new wrap for this car. So that's awesome. So as you can see, I've actually gone through quite a few issues with the shifter here. None of these fit. This is the one that I used to have, but the thread adapter's gone. This is another one from Sickspeed. That didn't work out. We're gonna test out that new one and see what that looks like on here. I actually like the feel of this on the Miata so much with the short shifter. I'm actually gonna buy a second one. I don't know what color though. Let me know down below what color we should do to match the orange and the blue. I may or may not buy the color that you say in the comments below, but just go ahead and comment. I'd love to chat it up either way.